welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn is here to fulfill your rancher dreams. The new 2019 Ram 1500 influenced its introduction at the Detroit Auto to indicate a week ago. At the Uncover, Ram revealed a few variations, including the Ram 1500 Limited and Ram 1500 Rebel. That was only a taste, a concise chomp to whet your truck-cherishing sense of taste. As should be obvious in these covert agent photographs, there are significantly more models to come. FCA just discharged subtle elements on the new Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn, and it hopes to bear on its forerunner's Southwestern enlivened optic. The Laramie Longhorn can best be portrayed as a Western farm on wheels. The selection of hues, materials and points of interest are there to achieve a feeling of Texas-style extravagance. In spite of the fact that the two-tone paint and LED headlights are pleasant, the genuine meat is inside the truck. It's anything but difficult to perceive any reason why Ram gets out cattle rustler boots, stash watches and horseman's seats. Simply investigate the metal clasp on the back of the seat pockets. The dashboard, entryway boards and armrests are done in full-grain cowhide. The inside comfort, instrument group, seats and entryway boards are embellished with a crocodile skin design. There are chrome and nickel highlights all through and a Longhorn token marked onto the wood on the dashboard. There's likewise wood on the entryways and focus reassure. There are two inside shading alternatives, both with differentiating channeling, mountain brown, light mountain brown and black, cattle tan. Both are full cowhide. Notwithstanding the discretionary two-tone paint, the Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn gets a chrome grille, guards and toe snares. Avoids and wheel flares are standard. The standard wheel is another 20-inch outline, however a bigger 22-inch wheel is accessible. The Texas topic proceeds outside with belt clasp badging on the truck's side. All whatever is left of the 2019 Ram 1500 highlights are here, as well, including 4G Wi-Fi, a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment framework, 5 supports and an inside support sufficiently extensive to bathe in. The Laramie Longhorn model ought to get Ram's attempted and genuine 5.7-liter Hemi V8, now accessible with the eTorque gentle half-breed framework. Evaluating hasn't been declared, yet hope to see a full breakdown soon.